17 cities have earned their place on Foodie Hub's list of the best Chinese restaurants in the world, as selected by our local food experts in over 200 regions. We'll highlight a luxury and more affordable option in each city. Our world tour begins with Peking duck in Beijing. At Jing Ya Tang, the duck is roasted to a crisp, juicy perfection over jujube wood, while in the heart of Beijing's old alleyways, Dianka Dianlai features a Yunanese fixed menu served in a beautifully restored courtyard. At Yubo's Family Kitchen in Chengdu, an unmarked wooden door opens to one of the most revered Sichuan restaurants in China, while Ming Ting is one of the city's most famous hole-in-the-wall restaurants, hidden in a historic market. Founded in 1948, Phuoc Lam Mon in Hong Kong is a world's 50 best restaurant, serving some of the best dim sum in the city. While Yat Lok is a world-famous storefront where the skin on the house special roast goose is so crispy it nearly shatters on the bite. In London, head for Royal China, where delicate parcels of traditional dim sum are prepared daily and steamed or fried to order, while Sichuan Folk, a small box of a restaurant on Brick Lane, specializes in tingly numb Sichuan cuisine. In Los Angeles, Newport Tang Kung draws upscale crowds with its house special lobster, plucked live from a tank. While across town, lines form at Chengdu Taste for such Sichuan classics like whitefish swimming in a numbing green peppercorn broth. In Macau, the 8 restaurant at the Grand Lisboa specializes in huayang dishes, reminiscent of imperial banquets fit for an emperor. While Juke, an old-school noodle house, has made its signature dish with 3 types of dumplings in a hot pork and fish bone bouillon since 1954. Flower Drum in Melbourne's Chinatown features perfectly crisp Peking duck and delicate translucent pancakes served with a sense of theater. Nearby, Shandong Ma Ma serves perfectly pan-fried mackerel dumplings made daily with market-fresh ingredients. In New York City, Oriental Garden is a relic of New York long gone. Live seafood in tanks are expertly transformed, while over the bridge in Flushing, fans of Xi'an famous foods line up for chewy wheat noodles tossed with sprouts, cilantro, cucumber, and a secret sauce of sesame, vinegar, and chili oil. In San Francisco, Koi Palace Tea House serves a famous Chilean sea bass, marinated overnight in a honey ginger glaze, while foodies line up at Sang Tang for dry-fried chicken wings, coated in an intoxicatingly sticky liqueur of sweet, salty, spicy, and tangy flavors. In Sao Paulo, there is only one place to go, the ultra-authentic Guangzhou specialist, Chifu, which offers a true cultural experience with a mind-blowing 201 dishes on the menu. What's even better? The staff are all Chinese. In Shanghai, Food 1015 is set in a gorgeous old Shanghai townhouse. Inside, enjoy one of 6 private rooms, while a procession of lavish Shanghainese delicacies parade across the table. For an enchanting taste of Old Shanghai, book Old Jessie for codfish head and scallion oil and 8 treasure duck. In Singapore, Roland invented the beloved chili crab more than 50 years ago. While on a slanted road, under an awning, J.B.A. Mang specializes in egg yolk prawn tempura that had super chef Ferran Adria begging for the recipe. Sorry, Ferran. Better luck next time. At Golden Century Restaurant in Sydney, floor-to-ceiling fish tanks packed with live seafood result in a spectacular Hong Kong-style banquet, while Kingsford Chinese Restaurant is where customers enjoy complimentary tea before tucking in to Santang chicken. In Taipei, dine at Xinye on the 85th floor of Taipei 101 Tower for Taiwanese classics and a beautiful bird's-eye city view. But no trip to Taipei is complete without a visit to Din Tai Fung, the original Shaolong Bauhaus that spawned a soup dumpling empire. In Toronto, order a lobster tower at family-owned Fishman Lobster Clubhouse, where the massive creatures weigh up to 25 pounds. Or go to Swato, where communal diners enjoy heaping bowls of congee and customized noodle soups. In Vancouver, feast at Dynasty, where diners flock to experience award-winning chef Sam Long's Alaskan King Crab 5 ways. Or head over to HK Barbecue Master for popular barbecue meats that rival any such venues in Hong Kong. And finally, Foodie Hub's best restaurant in the world to celebrate Chinese New Year? That'll be Sek Yang in Kuala Lumpur. Opened in 1948, this world treasure prepares dishes from a bygone era over wood-fired stoves. The 8 treasure duck is a wondrous delight, and the good luck yusheng noodles, which are a spectacular New Year's tradition, have been served here longer than anywhere else in the world.